Hi guys, welcome to my review, and today we're doing
Cough drops?
cough drops. Yes. So we're gonna do 3 different cough drops. Y'all like my old lady person? I think it's cute. I try to give y'all a new card every week. That don't always work, but anyway. First, shut up. Okay. First, we're gonna start off with we're gonna do a hibiscus cough drop. So first, you're gonna need some hibiscus tea, and all I did was make this was to take a teaspoon of hibiscus and put it in a pot with a cup of water and let that simmer for 15 minutes. So we're gonna get into making these cough drops, and let's get to it. Okay, guys. First, we're gonna start off with a half a cup or 4 ounces of honey. I already have a honey in my pot. So we're gonna start off with that. And honey is a good cough suppressant, and it has antioxidants. So yeah, that's good. And then we got 3 ounces of hibiscus. Not 3 ounces, 3 tablespoons. Y'all know, I don't know. Yeah. Probably use 1 more tablespoon of hibiscus if you want. So we put our hibiscus tea in there, and hibiscus is very high in vitamin C, which helps fight off infection, helps build up your immune. And then we have our lemon. We're not gonna put all the lemon in there, but about a teaspoon of lemon. So what the lemon juice is gonna do, that's also high in vitamin C, and it aids hydration and absorption of nutrients. So we're gonna put a little bit of that in there. Yep, and we're gonna give it a stir. And then you're gonna, I'm supposed to have a, what do you call it? A candy thermometer, but we ain't got that. So we're just gonna let this bubble up and get to where it's like a sticky, like candy consistency, and I'll show you what to do next. Okay guys, once it starts doing this and starts thickening up a little bit, you're just gonna take it off the heat and you're gonna let it sit for like, I don't know, just let it sit and for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll do we'll make the cough drop or finish making them. Y'all know what I mean. All right. Okay, guys. Now once it's cooled off and thickened up a little bit, you're just gonna take and make little round, cough drops. Yep. Ooh, like this. Okay. You see that? Paper isn't. But anyway, you're just gonna repeat that, and you're gonna let these harden, and I'll show you what to do next, darling. Okay, guys. Next, we're gonna make while those are cooling, we're gonna make the ginger lemon cough drops. And what I have here is some ginger tea. Now, all I did to make this was same thing I did with the hibiscus. I just put like a teaspoon of ginger in the pot with a cup of water, and we just let that simmer for 15 minutes. And I'm gonna put about 2 teaspoons in here. So what ginger does, ginger is y'all know what I mean, shit. Ginger helps block pro-inflammatory proteins. So it helps soothe your throat by blocking those pro-inflammatory proteins, and then so it helps ease inflammation. Yeah. I don't know if that came out right, but y'all know what I meant. And so then, just like we did with the last one, we're going to take a little bit of lemon. And we're going to pour that in there. And we're going to do it just like we did the other one. And now we're going to go to the peppermint. Okay, guys, so same with the peppermint. We got your honey. And this one is actually just mint. So what I did with the mint, same thing I did with the last 2. I just put some mint in a pot with a cup of water, and I just let it simmer for 15 minutes. And you're gonna pour that in there. And it's just mint and honey for this one. It's actually supposed to be mint and chamomile, but your girl messed up, so we're just doing the mint and honey. And what that does, the mint contains menthol, which is a decongestant that helps break up phlegm and mucus. So that's what that's good for. And we'll finish these up and I'll show you the last, what we're gonna do last. Okay. Okay guys, now that they're done hardening, I forgot to tell you, I forgot to do it myself. Before you like start laying the cough drops, put a little cornstarch or what do you call it? What are you using? What's that?
Cornstarch?
No, it's not cornstarch. What did I use? I don't remember. Ignore the trash in the background. But powdered sugar. Yeah, put a little cornstarch and powdered sugar down before you lay them because it's going to be easier to get up that way. And sometimes you might have to put it in the freezer for them to harden up a little bit, depending on how thick you let the cough drops get. So here I just have a couple and some powdered sugar, and to keep it from sticking, I'm just going to coat them. And yep, that's about it. And like that, darling. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I'm probably all over the place, but you know I always am. I don't care. But anyway, love you guys. Bye.